Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like for you to think of something perfect.
Can I see a picture? You know which one?
Not just look at something perfect, think of something. That's a great attitude. I heard John Jack said his face. His face is perfect. You all know what perfection is. You have mirrors at home. Correct? Now, in mathematics, there is things that are perfect. There's lots of perfection in mathematics. We're going to talk about some perfect squares today. Do A, B, C, and E as quick as possible. If you can't do any of them, just skip it, but you have exactly 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time. Zach, what's A, obviously? 8. We're looking for 2 numbers. What is this symbol here called? It's a square root. It's also called a radical. And we're going to work with radicals a lot in the next 5-6 weeks. So, square root of 64. Any problems with 8? Yes or no? Nope. Shake your head so I can hear you. Jordan, you have a problem with it? Okay, that's a shaker. Good. Well, anybody have a problem with this?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Let's skip it. What about this? Yeah, let's skip it. What about this?
No.
What is it? 3 over 8. Any problems with AE? Derry? Good. All right. Let's come back. How many of you are 100% perfect in this world?
Jesus.
Well, we can throw religion in here, but I'm talking about actuality. Anybody? Son of Jack. Perfect man. Very perfect. Good. All right, son of Jack, I'm going to disagree with you because I can't see your eyes. It would be perfect if I could see your eyes. Wow, poof. But we do have wonderful things about us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you know this. I'm losing my hair. I know it's hard to believe, but I am. I'm kind of just slight. Just slight. You can't even really tell unless you look hard. But that would be considered an imperfection in my world. But one thing that is perfect about me, I mean besides the obvious, is my eyebrows. These things are perfect. Not only are they perfect, but I was born with a birthmark in there that you have to get in a certain angle and a certain light to be able to see, but you can feel it. It's like a scar, but it's perfect. It's perfect. So I have little things about me that are perfect I'd like to show off, just like you do. Parker, I don't even have enough time to go through the list of perfect things that you have. But I do like to show them off. The things that I don't think are perfect, what do? I hide them. I wear hats a lot. I spray on hair. I have the little can. And I wear wigs once in a while. Only at assemblies. Okay? So, what I like to do is I'm Mr. Optimist, man. Let's find the perfections. Is there any perfections in here? What I'm saying is there any perfect numbers that will divide into 98?
4.
4 will? Let's get bigger. Let's look for all the biggest perfections. 16?
Oh, wait, no.
49. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you agree that 6 can be written as 2 times 3? Y'all agree with that? Well, this can be written as square root 42, or 49 times square root 2. What's this?
7.
So 7 is square root.
It's perfect. It is 7. It's perfect. So show it off, just like my eyebrows, baby. Showing those bad boys off. Woo! Parker, try to limit it to just 2 or 3 a day.
Got it.
Okay? You could probably go 6-8 weeks. Changing it up every day. So perfection. And then, Leah, this isn't perfect, so you stay. I'm hiding that bad boy. Put a hat on it. Show off your perfections. Leah, thank you for doing that on a daily basis. What about this? I'm going to show it. You're a step ahead. That's awesome. Tell someone. 3. So when you're working with these, look for their perfection. perfections. Always tell people something nice about them. They're perfections. You point them out. Don't make me always say, hey, my eyebrows look good, don't they? I need you guys to go, you know what, Cooley, your eyebrows look really good today. Oh, quit it. All right, what are we going to do here? Division you can break up also. Square root 15 over square root 4. Is there any perfects that will go into 15? Do you see any perfections? No, you stay. I got nothing for you. What about here? Perfect. Uh-oh. I'm getting ahead of the game a little bit.
Sorry.
Why was that? Oh, it's all good.
I got 100% on annotations on a book I didn't read. Just saying.
Wow, you're so smart.
That's perfect.
I know.
That's on you. We have no idea that shape page is a cheater.
We have that on video.
Yeah, we do.
We got it on video. It's going to be on the blog. Hey, Sheen, you got 100%.
I didn't cheat.
I just didn't do anything and I got 100%. Wow. Is there any perfections in 12? So I'm thinking square root 4 times square root 3. Square root 4? 2. Now what do we do here?
Subtract.
What?
I was thinking ahead.
So we can multiply. These are both outside. You stay. Nicolette.
2.
Now these radicals are just like variables. If they're the same radical, you can't subtract. Just so you know.
Wait, what?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a look here.
What do you say?
We have square root 5 over square root 2. Is there any perfections that will divide into either one of those? Can I reduce them or do anything? No. Here's the problem. We've talked in the past that you should have no zero buts. No zero denominators. No zero buts because your pants will fall down and you'll be stupid. The other thing is, what do we say these things are called? Radicals. You know what? You can have no zero buts and no radical. We got a radical denominator, radical butt here. Have you ever seen a radical butt? It's somebody walking down, they have a big hump out here. Just one side. Visualize it. Oh. We don't want any radical butts. How do I get rid of this radical butt? What happens if I multiply by the same thing?
Get 2.
What's radical 2 times radical 2? It ends up radical 4, which is perfect, so it's 2. What you do to the bottom of a fraction?
You gotta do